Okay, so this is our cat vessel tour. This isn't dissection, that video is very long, so I'm just going to do a video of the vessels so that you can see what you're learning. We're going to start with the veins, and with the superior veins, you have your superior vena cava going to the top of the heart, and your internal thoracic. Then your brachiocephalic veins are going to deliver blood to the superior vena cava. So you have a right and a left brachiocephalic vein. And then from there, you have your jugulars. And remember that your external and internal jugulars are based on their position. Internal closer to the midline, external farther away. Then, from your jugulars to the next split is your subclavian. It's very short in the cat because they don't actually have a clavicle. Then you have your cephalic vein, and then your axillary vein. And then your axillary vein is going to have a branch called the brachial, and that's, sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. That's right here. Okay, so that branch there was your brachial. And then the rest of this is going to be basilic to the median cubital, which connects to the cephalic that came out behind the back of the arm. Okay, you also have a vertebral vein. That vertebral vein is going to be coming from, bump around, okay, your vertebral is here, coming off of the brachiocephalic. That's going to go deep within the body and up the neck from the brain. Okay. Now your arteries, you're going to have your aortic arch coming from the top of the heart. Okay, right behind that fat blob. What is this? Okay, and then from there you have your two branches in the cat, brachiocephalic and your, lung out of the way, left subclavian. The brachiocephalic then leads up to 3 branches. This one, the farthest to the right, is your right subclavian. Then you have your right common carotid, and then your left common carotid. And remember, the left subclavian is its own branch off of the aorta. From there, the left subclavian gives rise to the vertebral, which is right there next to the vein. And then from there it becomes axillary through the armpit region. And then down into the arm, you have your subscapular branch going down to the scapula. And after that branch, it's just brachial artery. Okay. Sorry. Your thoracic descending aorta going back along the left side of the thoracic cavity, down there. And you also had your zygos, which was a vein on the right side. Okay, so there's your superior vena cava, and this big blue vessel right there is a zygos. And along the back of the cavity wall, you're not going to be able to see with the video, but anything that is pink or blue will be your